often used to say, chant and be happy. Often I used to wonder what it actually means. And honestly speaking, I couldn't really understand. But now, gradually, I'm getting a slight understanding of what Prabhupada actually meant. And as we develop our taste for the holy name, we begin to realize that everything is there actually in the holy name. Our happiness does not depend on anything else. Our happiness should not depend on our material accomplishments or positions or our environment, our circumstances. Nothing outside. Our happiness simply depends on our Krishna consciousness. And that can be very easily derived from chanting the holy names. Often when I become depressed, I remember this instruction of Srila Prabhupada, chant and be happy. And I immediately realized that there is nothing to feel depressed about actually. No one can stop me from chanting. And all my happiness actually lies in my chanting the holy name, because this holy name is not different from Krishna. And when I chant the holy name, I'm getting the association of Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So why should I worry about anything? Such a simple formula Prabhupada gave, such a simple process Prabhupada gave. And now we simply have to practice it. And if we do, then our life's mission will be accomplished. There is no doubt about that.